Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam. You can see in Canon it says, let me go back, it says paper jam. I did show that message, I just clicked previous. Yeah, it says paper jam. So then it tells you next, click next, say light control panel. Okay, get me, it tells you many things here, get me. So you follow those steps. So you can take out this as they tell us to do. Once you take out that, you can see there is a paper which was trying to come in through here. Then something happened, like it didn't come, something was wrong. Okay, then what we're gonna do second, we take out the tray. So take out the tray. In most cases you put in dirty papers or papers which are trying to, you can see the paper here. Okay, what is the third step? We can pull it from here, but it's gonna get torn, then it's gonna have us get us into trouble, you understand? So what could be the best option? The best option is to come at the back of the machine. Okay, take out that, you pull out smoothly, it comes out here. Also we can say pull this nicely, don't force. If you feel like it's stuck, you leave it, take another side. Okay, I took it out 100% without getting messed up, you get me? So this is the paper jam we have. So I'm gonna have some issue here. I'm gonna have to clean something here. Okay, you can see we have some issue here, some blue toner here. I don't know, it's one of the issues I have for this machine, with this machine now. Okay, I don't know, the toner spilled in here before, so it could be a very major issue. I don't know if it was before only or it's still gonna be spilling over, so it can mess up the machine. That's a problem now. Okay, and also black this side is a problem. Okay, I'm gonna clear here, get my toothbrush again, brush on here. What caused the paper jam? The papers are put in, I don't think they were straight. Okay, once you finish doing your cleanup, you can close the machine. Okay, after closing the machine, there was even a cockroach in the machine. It ran away. Make sure the papers you put in there are fine. So I'm gonna throw that when I put this pipe. Okay, I'm gonna have to so clean up the machine here. In most cases, printers don't like dust. Dust makes up their day bed. So anyway you see dust in your machine, you should clean that. Right? So you can see now it's trying to pull out the machine, pull out the printer. It's trying to make copy now. Let's see. Now it pulled out a nice copy with no major issues. You can see another nice copy, another nice copy. Yeah, we got 3 copies here. Well, you can see that's what I wanted. So it's printing well, but I have this issue of the toner being spilled on the side. Okay, wonder why. Okay, they are all black, so I didn't get it right myself, so I can close this, press it, put it back. I'm gonna make another major 4. It's copying. I pressed without knowing. It's gonna copy. Wow, it made another copy. Made another copy. It made another copy. Super copy. Yes. I think the more you print, the more it clears. Yes. I'm trying to make few copies. Yeah, the more you print, the more it clears. So I'm gonna connect. But now you have to know that in most cases the issue we have is caused by putting in wrong papers. So I'm gonna, oh, this one is gone. This one is used before. Putting wrong what? Pages. So I'm gonna put in this. Okay. I'm gonna get 4 black. See black. See black. Black and white copy is still fine. So these are made 4 of them. Oh, this one was made. Where did it this? Yeah, also this. Oh, this was on a plain page. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I think thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. That's the way to take out the paper jam in your machine, Canon machine. So most of these machines are the same Canon machines, but also make sure you don't have dust on rollers. Put in nice clean papers, you get me, so that you get the right thing. I always reuse the thing. I'm gonna make another copy, 1 copy, black and white color. There's something I'm fighting to clear. Making a color one. You saw that blue stuff? That's what I'm trying to clear also. Still I get it. Every time when I hit the button, I still get it. So there's no more papers anymore in the machine. Yeah, well guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.